Hi everybody, hit the thumbs up, comment, share, hit the boxing glove, all that good stuff social media likes. While I do a quick walk around this lectern podium that I salvaged. Gave it some fresh paint, did some repairs on it. However, I also used some resin on the top here, as well as the open shelf right there. Look at that. It is gorgeous, the blue and gold marbling. Also, one nice feature of this particular lectern is the lift up top. So you can put your speech notes in here, pencils, maybe even a small bottle of water, whatever you like for your speech while you're giving it, and just keep it stored here. This is durable. Open that up. Using Stone Coat countertop resins and epoxies to create this. So this is technically an edible surface if you want to eat off of it. I don't know if I would or not, but it is aseptic. It's heat resistant, dent resistant, scratch resistant, all that good stuff. Their resins are my main supplier. They are my main supplier for resins. So quick shout out to them. But I like how this turned out. Let me know what you think. Would you have went with this blue and gold marbling, or would you went with something different on this gunmetal gray background base? So let me know. And this will be hitting the shop soon as I get the listing made up for it. Also, 50% of the sale of this particular lectern is going to go to East Brady Ambulance Service. They're the ones who supplied me with the lectern itself. So as a thank you and shout out for them, half of what it sells for will be going directly to them. So let me know. If you want to customize it, I can put your company logo or stencil right on the front there and use a clear coat over it, or even do a marbling. So let me know, and shout out to East Brady Area Ambulance Service for letting me work on this project with them. As always, I love this finger painting for adults. It's great. It's super fun.